We're going to take you now to one of the most unusual homes in this country. You wouldn't call it luxurious, and it is not in a great location, but it has something that is priceless, and people are lining up to live there. Bill Whitaker explains why in tonight's Eye on America.
It's not hopeless. It's never hopeless.
We're saying, come in here, we're giving you a chance.
Hands up!
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Architect. I want to be a scientist.
This may look like just another apartment building planted in the heart of tough South Central Los Angeles.
What's that?
A tree.
8 times 8. Look.
But this new first-of-a-kind complex named Excel is a seed for change.
Away.
In here, children and education are nurtured like a hothouse hybrid.
This is just one of our furnished models that we have. You'd like to take a look through it?
Sure, thank you.
To get in, hopefuls like Terry Ritchie must prove not only that they can pay the rent, but that they are committed to education.
What's your favorite subject?
Math and science.
I work a lot as a single parent, and I can't always be there to sit down to do the homework with her. But here I know it will be done.
Joshua Jackson had real trouble getting his homework done. But now, while his mother is at work,
I love you. I'll see you later.
Tutors and live-in counselors from nearby University of Southern California are there to make sure homework comes before play.
Where's my list of your homework?
Right here.
I want a list I can hold in my hand. I'm taking Mrs. Jones tomorrow and check with her. I've seen the children just thrown to the side. Let's not waste our time with them. No child deserves that. Every child deserves the chance because they can succeed.
I always thought that I would never really succeed in life because of where I come from.
Elda Petch comes from one of the toughest neighborhoods in Los Angeles.
At night, when I used to study, I used to hear gunshots going off. I used to hear screams, people beating each other. I couldn't really concentrate because this is not a safe haven.
Elda's mother says now, inside this Excel apartment, she knows her daughter is safe and on her way up. Here we have the chance to fulfill our dream, she says, and send our children to college. It's all the dream of Kent Salveson, a multi-million-dollar developer who calls it an investment in the future.
We have parents who want to see their children get better educations, have greater opportunity, have better job prospects. Everything that I want, they want. This is what they need.
It's not charity. Salveson doesn't make as much as he could with standard apartments, but he says he can provide the educational boost and still turn a profit. The return on investment for the students can be tremendous. A guaranteed scholarship here to the University of Southern California if they get good grades and good scores on college entrance exams. If they get good grades.
What do you think Joshua's teacher's going to have to say?
Even with the gangs and the guns around here, the Excel youngsters are just as afraid of getting caught not doing their homework.
You think he's been turning in his homework?
He proudly brought up his homework to my desk this morning and had everything. Something's turned around, and it's nice to see. It really is.
Very good.
Elda Petch now is studying for her college entrance exams.
Each of you can do it.
They motivate you, and you just feel that you could do it, that you could be somebody, that you could go to college.
Kent Salveson is building only Excel apartments now. He has 4 more in the works.
Others will be able to do what we do, and if you have 10,000 of these buildings across the United States, you're going to start to make a big difference.
And Josh, his mother, gets a report from the field.
Got an excellent report from Mrs. Jones. She said he came in today, had every bit of his homework, brought it right to her, was really proud, had every bit of it, and then had a math test today. She thinks he made at least a B, did really, really well.
In fact, Josh got an A. In Los Angeles, this is Bill Whitaker for Eye on America.
And that's part of our world tonight. If anything breaks in and around the Persian Gulf, you'll hear it on this CBS station. Dan Rather reporting for the CBS Evening News. See you tomorrow. Good night.